Iyore almost now wetin they preach always. Now wetin they preach. As me no rich, Iyore almost man when he marry, his first son now 18 years. He dey beat Iyore. If he dey beat Iyore, Owigbo go join pikin, they beat Iyore. As me don't know rich. As me don't detect rich. But Iyore go come live video, they tell una say man where they beat woman. Make una come out for the house, man and live there. And Iyore dey for the house. Where senior pikin, senior for Owigbo pikin, senior pikin, he don't grow well. He go dey quarrel with Iyore like this, go dey quarrel with Iyore, his papa go dey join and dey beat Iyore. So I can't witness her for live video. I can't witness her for live video. And Iyore now they tell una say, man where they beat woman, make una run come on for there. Not beside the advice una wey be man, una beat woman. I know the advice una beat woman, una wey be men. I know advice enough una wey beat woman. But what you know say they happen for your house, where you not come out, not they tell the rest people make they come out. So my people, I want to play audio, make una listen, make una see. Before I start to talk to Iyore. You know say I tell una say, person like me, they know they pray. May you offend me. For your friend, I go to show all your mistake to the world. May the world they see am. May the world they see and say no be what una they preach. Una they do. Una look Iyore.
Hello, God bless you. Hello. Hello, God bless you.
Well, wait, I'll show for that side. I'll show for now.
Ari ọ̀pá wa gbọ̀nfo. Akọ̀ka náà wọ́n bá ọwọ́ yẹ̀rọ àwọ̀ yẹn mẹ́wàá náà gbó kábẹ́ nìyẹn jẹ́. Sikọ̀dá o.
I don't feel married you. I don't feel married you. Why damn yo? I'll show it to una. Mona wait. All of una mona wait.
Salaba no di enwari gbegbe ni ma. Salaba no di eje no tani mo salaba na gimale le ma ne gwa yo go no ma. O ta tu e ye e de sister la wo go ye. Happiness to e gwa wa ku ke ne wa we o ke yo tan. Mo la wo go ye. Mo wo ke re mo bana baba. O te mo ge shi we mo ka ye. O ta ti we o mo ka ye. Hello? What's it? O ta ti we mo o ta de ba we o mo. Like Egia gloriosa, aukwa. Itero, let me tell you, man, na him take gwalo. Na would. Wa me ya tota ya ti are man na ma ti ma se. Na would. Na would. India no India no ti mama bi. Ya ti are man na ma se. Ye me ni ta.
Because all boy, we don't have boy. We don't have boy.
Music, Wesley. Marimina. Egia gloriosa. Aukwa. Hello. Lele. You know, go back to the many mega lele. You know, what's the answer? What's the God, David play music. What's it?
Yes, my people, make una share the video. I dey hate where person go dey deceive person for life. I hate people wey dey deceive person. Una wey dey for Facebook, I go show una this video. Make una listen. Una know say Iyore dey tell deceive our women wey dey for the world. Not be say I dey tell men make they beat their woman. I know dey tell men make they beat their woman, but not because they deceive people. And you dey for you dey for man hand where they beat you always. You can't deceive people. You know what come up for where man where they beat you. You say you love her, you not come up for there. But other people where you go here for us, I say, if man they beat you now, make una come out now here when Iyore go the preach. Now make me bring this video where I can show una say most of the people who they preach for social media, una not let them they deceive una. Wait it day for their body, they come they take and they drive una come up for husbands. Now say one come they give una lesson. So my people, una here, if Iyore come up for assistant for live video, na live video this one for happen. Now if he come up for then I beat him, one go receive. Oh, we go they beat Iyore as they beat person will not get somebody. They beat him. So they Owigbo pikin, he senior pikin. He hate Iyore die. The one we he all hate Iyore. The one we senior wonder. If that boy they follow Iyore they quarrel every time, Owigbo go join that pikin they fight Iyore. Una know say me, I know the person wey dey talk lie. Una know me now, but I'll keep quiet. But Facebook people, wanna see the video. One show una for Facebook. Now we Iyore dey for live video. Now Owigbo, they fight and say, I not go marry you. I not go marry you. Can't even the fight her. He say one scatter the whole house. Iyore come they sing. Esu ukwa, esu ukwa. He say ukwa, esu ukwa. Ah! He come they sing. Now know what it motivate me. I dey see am when Iyore go they preach several times. Man wey dey beat una. Man wey dey beat una. Make una come up for here. Make una not stay for that house. But I don't think I talk as una will be man una go dey beat una wife. I not tell una that one. But now what I see say the thing they preach. Now me one can play for una. Make una list it for for Facebook. Mona see am. Facebook people mona see am. Mona see am. One plan for now.
Hello, God bless you. Hello. Hello, God bless you.
I don't feel marry you. I don't feel marry you. Una de see hein? Okay.
Hello.
You know what it come make me complete this video? We know say I mean what don't have and I go. No husband ask where they know the quarrel. But may you not go they deceive our women, they come up for husband house. Enough of una deceiving, we not they deceive our women. We don't not they stay for husband house again. So I say when I can't take them and share some of them where they listen to una preaching. Waiting there for our body. You not come up for them now. But you call live video, call they tell our women, say if man they beat them, make they come up for the house. You see there for them, you not come out to. As I find and reach, Owigbo senior pikin, he they beat you, Iyore. Owigbo senior pikin, we senior that small boy, they beat you. If they beat you, Papa go evil join her. Now make you fair run come up for your house that they run call your house. Now make you fair run come up for your house that day. Iyore if na lie they talk, come swear juju put. If Owigbo pikin, in with the papa no they beat you, Owigbo with the pikin no they beat you. So na chef will say, wait till na not fit tolerate for Benin man hands. Una the tolerate for that tribe. Now say see before husband woman wey don comot for leave your husband. Wetin no fit tolerate for your husband body. He go the tolerate for other place when they go, make shame not come. Now say see be. But my people, I say when I come show na the fake life when Iyore dey live. Iyore almost there. I say when I come show na the fake life wey they deceive our women. He will come out for live video, go say they preach for them. If man beat them, make them come out for them. I not take this one, can't tell our men, make they beat woman. Because due to what they preach, me to say a boyfriend not perfect pass for this life. Say a boyfriend not even the touch and they carry like egg. When you remember they call now, they say me go inside, say you no go. Say you no get papa. For Europe, you no get mama. When I can't find out, I can't see and say, Owigbo with the first speaking, they beat Iyore. But they not fit tolerate for Benin man hand. Igbo man go they useless them because what did they make that they useless so? Because of the kpekus where they leak. Because of the kpekus where they leak all this our sisters, some of for this our sister. Now they cause them for their body. Owigbo of Iyore Olaluewu. No, you wait Iyore to say me. We not the leak kpekus. He say I come place, he go give me drink. When I for start to lick pickles, as a Wigbo they lick pickles. Iyore say to lick pickles the sweet. I don't know say na plan wey dey for Iyore might say. If he say me go that day for your cash me with pickles wey dey lick, you go throw Wigbo. Una not say I not can go. He accept of Wigbo come back. Una not see. Una not dey see. Most of una not dey see. Call Wigbo. Owo Atiti marry. Later Atiti he go buy Igbo. Now wetin dey for a mind. Now you talk for live video. He go buy Igbo. Me with go smoke. Iyore as they talk, he go dey talk say make people not smoke Igbo again. Him with the Wigbo see the smoke Igbo. Him with the Wigbo. They see the smoke Igbo. Iyore go come say make man not the lick Kpekus again. Wigbo the lick Iyore Kpekus. If they say na lie, me with Igbo man come make they come swear. Make they come swear for live video whether na lie they talk. Whether na lie they talk. Wetin make me come here so this evening? Since 4 days, I forgot to play this video. I not come here come swear Ogun. I not come swear Omila. The fake life where they live, all those women, wetin they know they tolerate for man hand, for a do man hand. They tolerate for that place. If you see Rita, you may they beat with that go bring man they beat Rita. Rita will come live video. Now you see Rita has sometimes when he go come here, I go swell up. Here go swell up. Now you see sometimes one of the observant. So that 2 weeks you know will come on live video where your husband take and beat the face. All those women. When I know you listen to what they preach, they go spoil una house. They go spoil una house. If you be man, deviate your wife away from these people. If you are a man, deviate your wife away from these people. They are Jezebels. If you hear it come on live video, what did they tell you now? Man where they beat woman. Avec beaucoup, man where they beat woman. Come on, leave that man. Pack your load and go. Pack your load and go. That's what they preach for now. Not be say they preach for now. But your boyfriend now we don't friend for 14 years, not put money for a head. I don't say now because of what happened, maybe they for don't put money for a head. Or they get documents is there. You don't be like me, we don't get documents. If me get documents is there, for don't put money for woman head, Atiti. Because I go to work better work when I take the receive, when I take carry my own house. Where did they pay me for inside? They can't preach the way they preach to our idol women. And what did they their body? You know, not see your most one now. If they call me central. Whereas, since 9 years till now, only 2 women I don't friend. I friend one for 7 years, that be 8 years. The other one at 2 weeks he come. He buy ticket of 2 weeks. He never spent 3 days before I drive and come off from my house. Wait till make me drive and come off from my house. As I will go receive, I call my friends, come as we drink, we drink pepper soup. I prepare food, wait for ground. Make my friend all of us eat. Daybreak, I go work. My pikin go school. My pikin they come for school. I come meet and say they wash the plate for kitchen. Woman where we live for us since morning. You know wash plate, you know sweep the house. I cannot drop that hand for any woman. Woman who lives since morning for house. Omak boluto. Although I'm illiterate, I did not go to school. I brought up very well. Now I pursue and come out. He called his friends and say, even Yahoo. Now I take pursue. But the other one when I come friend for more than 8 years. I'll be 7 years. Now social media na cause quarrel for me with them. If you call that woman now, he go tell you say Atiti na the best for man wey no friends. But now because I say me they bring my children for me. May they bring my children for me. I can't dey fight for all those Jezebel. Not beside the fight for them. They say me go Benin, and the mama joy wey make me like because they insult me. Now make the woman come out to not be my own quarrel, personal quarrel. Now quarrel for social media. All those people now they pity for. Say that we go Benin, all you do was see I, but now he can't take me learn at last. Mama job where mama where Milaki carry go juju place, go bury for their compound. You see, and I see and daddy now he can't take me learn. Now I don't get my own personal fight when I cause quarrel. Now let me I debug now I get quarrel for this social media. The rest people me they not get quarrel. But we thank God today. As a bit today, I feel that if they do something, I feel they talk to them. If now before this video, I'm not going to talk to now. People go to talk, say, I did bias. But when I say what did they preach to our women, say if man they beat them, they come out. As me find out rich now, Igbo man, they join the senior picky way there for almost 19 years. They beat Iyore. That boy don't like Iyore at all. That boy way Igbo man felt born. He don't like Iyore. Every time I did the quarrel, Papa Igbo man go join the Peking. He go join her. Igbo man not train the Peking well. And Iyore will go marry for there. He not follow the Peking make friend. As I be so, for I go marry Peking we go marry woman wey Peking don't grow. The one with this small, they don't know anything. If I want to go marry Peking we don't grow. Now a friend, now Peking, now be my friend when we go to work. I'll take as friend when I get for outside. But you don't know if you take that woman friend. You know if you take that boy as a friend. Woman with me friend for 8 years, I'll be 7 years. He take my Peking like a friend. I don't know they understand now. But what did make me come this evening? I say I can't tell you now. You know, see all those people where they preach for now for live video, they deceive you now. They deceive you now. Many of you now go to see and where you go to preach say if man they beat you, if man beat you, come on for the house. Come on for the house. Ovigbo, if you never beat Iyore, he don't beat Iyore 150 times. If Ovigbo never beat Iyore, he don't beat Iyore 150 times. So he can't beat him for live video. And Iyore don't change to everybody enemy. You see the way Igbo man push Iyore put. He push Iyore to Orion Bar today. He push Iyore to person when not fit go Benin. Step 11 for land of Benin today. You just say if now I don't mind Iyore the friend. The time when Iyore enter problem, Edo man go let am see continue that problem. Edo man go stop am for his side. If you don't know. If now Edo man Iyore the marriage is then, Edo man don't find solution. Man when he know tradition, he don't find solution. We go take Iyore go Benin. Iyore is depressed. Omeme Iyore ki omeme. Efwage wage no ya di civil war. Efwage. Ebona mugbe omeme no ya nwina enu wa man. Ebo mami wa gboma wa. Ebo mami wa amebo gboma wa gboma wa. Omeme no boya zodu na e. Most of you don't know as a juju to the work. Or juju they work for different ways. We don't know. Or juju they work for different ways. We don't know. But anyway, when I come and play the video for now again, before we go, we'll come back for Sage, Osarodion, the highway robber, the Tifi Jan Koriko, the highway robber. We thief CC money. As we dey come up for this one now, I want to make call. Wait till be time now. 8 o'clock. I'll quick make call. When I make call finish, I'll come back again. Towards that 10 o'clock, I'll come back again. When I plan for again, Mona wash am. When I plan for again, woman wey dey tell una wey be follow woman like am. Say if man dey beat una, Mona come up for the man house. He not come up for there now. Now this beating, now Iyore make Iyore run. He run, come up for Wigbo house, come in house. As he come in house now, Wigbo can settle with him. Mona see what Wigbo can do for live video. What they can do, Iyore? This one, they call it Ikeshi. Your mama not find rich like this. You feel near this kind of woman, huh? You go call the talker for live video. Your mama find rich like this, say, la. No. Una say and I say that fake life. Now they teach you now. Una see and say na fake life. Now these people they teach you now. If Ovibo come and come, they call Iyore, Lolo, Kechi, una say na better man. Where can I see what Ovibo do here? Where can I see? Where can I see? Ovibo no say he no say Iyore dey for live video. Una want tell me say Ovibo no say Iyore die for live video. Because he don't change in Iyore. He no say Iyore no fit see a dumb man again. He don't change now. If they use us, they use slave now. We don't see what he come out for na sister Martin Iyore. He say na where he sit down put so na better pass. If he go say as he go receive beating, he no get papa, he no get mama. For Europe, una no hear am. Una no hear am. Una wan hear am again. Make una press I like your team before una hear am again. Make una press our shop before una hear am again. What I plan for una? Fake life.
Hello, God bless you. Hello. Hello, God bless you.
Una hear Ebony agree today. Una hear Eboma. Ebony agree to you. I see you there. What say there? No verse. No verse. Get the way we dey do our things. We know they do back. Get the way we dey run our things. Una hear Eboma na. We go come live video. Ikechi. La. Kechi, la, Kechi, la, Kechi, la, Kechi. Una hear Igbo man. Una hear na. We no say nowhere husband and wife or boyfriend and girlfriend not the quarrel. We no say nowhere not dey. But don't deceive our people. Don't deceive our people. Taught our people good things in society. Teach our people good things in society. If you dey for what you dey, not take on the pursue other people, you ask how you want to solve the problem. You go ask how this man want to stop. Wait, not going to beat me again. You go ask how this man want to stop the way they shout for me. You go ask as a woman. But if man tell you what you don't like, you know they accept. But you would like to tell man what man accept, what man go accept. My people, make una share the video. Make una listen to Iyore and Ovibo. Ovibo will go come live video. Your papa fire rich like this. Your mama fire rich like this. You feel marry this kind of woman. Woman will deal with you for 14 years. You know if you can't belay, you know the shame. A young girl will never feel born. He come marry you, will be second hand. You know if you can't belay. You can't talk for public. You know the shame of Ovibo. If we move he had to go that your belly, I want to come blow. That your belly, he had to get back to Genia. Make una see. He not pity for una sister. He no say wait una sister trying to win back today. Now he dey give encouragement. He can't dey pump and, he can't worst. But Ovibo fit buy ticket now. He go Igbo land. Iyore no fit buy ticket, go Benin land. Iyore no fit buy ticket, say he want step leg for a papa land with the mama land now. Me step leg put. As this man push this our sister rich. He make him to be irrelevant for the society. He make him to be wayward in the society as Igbo man push Iyore reach. Iyore go come on live video. If man dey beat una, una comot for the man hand. If man dey beat una, una comot for the man hand. As me as information reach, Igbo man, his second pikin, if he no like Iyore, if he with Iyore dey quarrel, wetin dey cause quarrel, Iyore no dey cook. If the boy your cook, Iyore go your the chop am. No. Ego ale. Ọ̀rẹ́ ya e. If for Igbo man don prepare food finish, Iyore come by start for there, go call the turn now. He go dey call am Kechi, Chinyere, Kechi, Chinyere. The time when he start to wash and put for pot, why Iyore not show am? The time when you start to wash the food, put for pot, when you ask you be woman. I dey see Esther Mogiadi, wey go dey cook sometimes. I dey see many women wey dey go dey cook for live video. As they take put water for pot, they'll show us. Igbo man go prepare salad finish. He go prepare salad finish. Iyore go stand for one corner for inside kitchen. He go, Chinyere, Chinyere, lala, Chinyere. Make una listen. Make una listen. Make una listen when I plan for now. Now, no say this truth when I dey talk, I not cause ogun now. He go dey pepper for body. He dey pepper for body. I not call Ashawo now. Because I not call Ashawo now. I not so ogun now. I not so Mila now. But I dey talk as a be now. I dey talk as e be now. Yeah? God dey deceive our Edo women. Enough is enough for now. We can despoil our Edo women. If man dey beat you, pack your load and go. Pack your load. You know how many women where you don't confuse, where you don't pack load come on for their husbands, with their man, quarrel go happen, maybe their man slap them. Maybe their man, but Igbo man when you say be your boyfriend or your husband, he dey beat you every time. So they can't do one to our heart waiting for live video. He say go scatter the whole house. Iyore, I see you 3 days ago when you go buy bed. You dey for where they sell bed. I see you when you go buy bed. Now you want buy bed for your house. But to the proud that they say, it is say me come. Fear no life. I not fit sleep for your bed. Say I not sleep. I not go lick your quickles. Say I not fit sleep for your bed. I not lick your quickles. And Monica don't show me say you not get bed for his house. Now, 3 days ago now they see you for furniture store.